Hello svagat hey apka the Bugbyte Studio may ajam sikenge Java k import odd package k bare may, puri turase, examples k sat, odd kuch interview scenarios b janenge. Agad op Java may career banana chahate hey, toya video opke liye bahut god hoga. Chaliye shuru kurte hey. 1. Java may package ka matlab hota hey related classes ka collection. Packages ka use code ko organize karne odd reusability barane ke liye kiya jada hai. Java may do prakad ke packages hote hai, built-in packages, jesse java.util, java.io, java.lang user-defined packages, hum could create could sikte hai. 2. Example. Package my package. Public class student, public void show data, system.out.println this is a student class. This example may humne my package nam ka package banaya. 3. A bot kurte hai import key. Jabham kisi class ko apne current program may use karna chahate hai, jo kisi package may hai, toham import statement ka use kurte hai. Syntax. Import package underscore name dot class underscore name. 4. Example. Import java.util.scanner. Public class test, public static void main string, args, scanner sc equals new scanner system.in, system.out.println enter your name, string name equals sc.next line, system.out.println hello plus name. Yaha humne java.util package say scanner class import key. 5. Java mayhem wildcard import ka use could sikte hey. Example. Import java.util, // classes import ho jaigi. Static import ka use static members ko directly access karne ke liye kiya jada hai. Import static java.lang.math. Public class test, public static void main string, args, system.out.println sqrt16, // directly use math.sqrt. 6. Abek user defined package banate hey auto say import kurke use kurte hey. Step 1. Create package. Package my package. Public class employee, public void show info, system.out.println employee class. 7. Step 2. Import in another class. Import my package.employee. Public class test, public static void main string, args, employee equals new employee, e.showInfo. 8. Java package and import k kuch important rules, package statement hamesha first line may I import statement package k bod I multiple classes import kerne k liye wildcard, use could sikte hey java.lang package automatically import hota hey. Agadop interview may jai, to interviewer ye questions pooch sikte hey. Package odd import may kya difference hey? Answer, package code organize kerne k liye, import kasi class ko use kerne k liye. Wildcard import kya hota hai? Answer, ka use kurke package key sabi classes import could sikte hai. Kya java.lang package import karna zaruri hai? Answer, nahi, ya automatically import hota hai. User defined package kaise create odd import kurte hai? Answer, class k upid package statement like odd pid dusri class may import package underscore name dot class underscore name, kare. Kya multiple Java files xsot compile ho sikti hai? Answer, ha, CMD may use kare havats. Java,